Life's origin on Earth is a nearly resolved yet a mysterious scientific hypothesis. Life on Earth began about 4 billion years ago, which has resulted in evolution. It is evident since beginning, species began migrating to live and sustain life. In ecological terms, migration is a natural behavior and an integral part of the life cycle of many species. Every species migrated with a purpose, like for food, to be safe from predators, procreation, and to remain safe from changing climatic conditions. All living beings migrate. Migration symbolizes growth and development. Mass migration occurs in mammals, such as the Serengeti Great Migration, an annual circular pattern of movement of over 1.7 million wild beasts. Migration is important in cetaceans, including whales, dolphins, and porpoises. Whale sharks are more nomadic in their migration. Mapping the movement of olive ridley turtle through satellite telemetry shows that they move from their breeding grounds along the coast of Orissa between mid-April and late May, and around July they make a U-turn. The longest coastline of Gujarat supports much migratory marine life, such as whale shark and breeding of olive ridley and green sea turtles. Birds are known for their long distances migration with a great sense of navigation. Approximately 4,000 of the world's 10,000 bird species migrate long distance each year in response to the seasons. They navigate using celestial cues from the sun and stars, the Earth's magnetic field, and mental maps. The Arctic tern is famous for its migration. Gujarat is a paradise for migratory birds, as it is strategically located between two avian migratory routes, one from Central and North Asia to East Africa, and another from Middle East and Europe to Peninsular India. Gujarat is also known for its varied wetlands. These wetlands become home to nearly 1.5 million migratory birds, those who visit the state's 1,500 wetlands every year. Once a visitor, the great flamingos is now the state bird of Gujarat. The lesser flamingos are found in coastal wetlands. Bar-headed geese, the highest flying birds in the world, are the winter visitor to Gujarat. Common crane and demoiselle cranes are symbolically significant in the culture of Gujarat. Eurasian widgeons, northern pintails, shabalins, mallards, coots, and other migratory wetland birds flock to wetlands of Gujarat in the winter. The bar-tailed godwit is able to fly on extremely low energy reserves and doesn't stop till it reaches its destination. Pacific golden plover is a migrant to Gujarat and one of the greatest travelers among birds. Indian peter is a monsoon breeding migrant to Gujarat. It is widely distributed in Gujarat. The globally threatened lesser florican is a rare monsoon migrant and breeds in the grasslands of Gujarat. Great white pelican is a migrant to Gujarat commonly seen in large water bodies. White stork is a winter migrant. So are 4 species of harrier, those winters in Gujarat. More than 350 species of birds migrate to India, and there has been a decline due to human activities. The population of Siberian cranes that wintered in India declined due to hunting along the route. India is a sacred land where people highly believe and fulfill their traditions, customs, and rituals wholeheartedly. The Indian tradition places migratory birds in an exalted position. In Kichan, Rajasthan, villagers feed the cranes on their migration, and these large congregations have become an annual spectacle. Gujarat proves to be a heaven for migratory birds to eat, breed, and sustain life. Its wetlands and environment is conducive for the birds flying miles and miles, escaping the harsh climate of native lands. Season after season, the migratory birds make Gujarat their home, away from home.